Ah, siguro po alam na ninyo, Mr. Chair. Hindi po lang anong oras, but I think earlier hours, nagpadala yata former Congressman Saldico a video recording. At dyan po ay napakarami niyang sinasabi na aligasyon, ngunit Mr. Chair, ako po ay dadako na doon sa matagal ko na sanang, kanina pa kasi, magmula nung ako po ay maging Blue Ribbon Committee hanggang kayo po ay pumalit, iisa po ang nakita natin. Hanggang ngayon, nakita natin yung sa pagitan ng testimonies ang napakarami pong tinawag natin dito. Wala pong kokontra na talagang ang lalim ng katiwalian at korupsyon na na-establish po natin. Mali-maliit ang pera po ang nagpalitan ng kamay dito. Tinitingnan ko po yung ating Senate Blue Ribbon Rules. May I refer to Section 5, o Article 5, Section 3, Mr. Chair. Dito po sinasabi, reports on bills and resolutions. Where evidence of malfeasance, misfeasance, and nonfeasance is uncovered in the course of the committee's investigation, the matter may be referred to the Ombudsman or to the DOJ or to any appropriate agency as the case may be. Sa opinion ko po, ay palagay ko tama na po na mula dito ay i-repair na po nating lahat. Sapagkat yun po yung ating tuntunin. Nandito nga po yung ating Prosecutor General. Hindi ko pa nga alam ba't nandito siya sapagkat i-repair naman namin sa inyo. Ito po yung tuntunin dito. Hindi kami makikipag-compete sa inyo sapagkat kami strictly in aid of legislation. We have come across this problem. The magnitude, no one can deny. And jurisprudence pa nga ho, Mr. Chair, Neri versus Senate, ito po yung sinasabi. Should respondent committees uncover information related to a possible crime in the course of their investigation, they have the constitutional duty to refer the matters to the agency or branch of government. Lahat po ng ito ay hinugna para i-repair either sa DOJ, sa Ombudsman, sa ating National Prosecution Service. Sinasabi pa po, while it may be a worthy endeavor to investigate the potential culpability of high government officials, including the President, in a given government transaction, it is simply not a task for the Senate to perform. The role of the legislature is to make laws, not to determine anyone's guilt of a crime or wrongdoing. Our Constitution has not bestowed upon the legislature the latter's role. Just as the judiciary cannot legislate, neither can the legislature adjudicate or prosecute. So the legislature remains to be an instrument for legislating laws. We cannot adjudicate, we cannot prosecute. Siguro po alam na ninyo, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko po alam anong oras, but I think earlier hours, nagpadala yata former Congressman Saldico a video recording. At dyan po ay napakarami niyang sinasabi na aligasyon, ngunit hindi po pwedeng hindi bigyan po ng atensyon. Nagpapatunay lamang po na lumawak na po talaga at lumalim ang pinag-uusapan nating problema. We cannot ignore that statement uploaded in the Facebook, Mr. Chair. So, kung ang tinatanong ni Senator Sherwin kanina na pinipilit na sinasagot ni Prosecutor o General Prosecutor, no? Prosecutor General Padulyon, sino po ba yung pinoprosecute natin ngayon? Mga accessories or mga... Meron po bang mga pangalan na?
Yeah, may I respond, Mr. Chair? As I mentioned earlier, the ones who are being investigated right now are personalities from the DPWH, officials of District 1 of Bulacan. They are the ones subject of the initial investigations undertaken by the Department of Justice. There are also other investigations which are being evaluated now prior to its filing with the department and eventually with the Office of the Ombudsman, sir.
Kanina po tinatanong niya kayo, he quoted the President na meron ng makukulong, sabi ng Presidente.
Sir, I do not know and I cannot speak for the President. I do not know what's
I'm
in his
not
mind.
saying that you will speak for the President. Si Senator Sherwin nagsabi, narinig niya na may makukulong. At kailan ang sinabi, Senator? Kailan, parang ang sinabi niya, marami nang makukulong immediately.
Exactly, Mr. Chair. That's why I said I cannot speak or know the state of mind of the President when those statements were made. I was not privy to it, and neither do I know what the details of which I can only speak of the cases being handled by the Department of Justice.
Hindi naman sasabihin ng Pangulo yun ang hindi niyo siya ina-advisean. The President will not state anything nang hindi niya nalalaman ang mangyayari. As a matter of fact, we assume that the Department of Justice might have advised him sapagkat hindi niya sasabihin ang kagaya ng sinasabi mo ngayon.
Yes, sir, but I cannot also make that assumption. No, I cannot base my answer on an assumption which is being made unless I was privy to the information that such advice was given to the President when he made that statement. I can only speak for what I know, sir, and what I have personal knowledge of.
So are you trying to assume that the President was ill-advised?
I'm not saying that the President was ill-advised. I just do not know who spoke to the President, sir, before he made that statement.
We're not saying that somebody spoke to the President. Senator Sherwin heard that the President was assuming that there will be somebody who will be jailed immediately.
Yes, sir. But your statement, Mr. Chair, is that you are of the assumption that the Department of Justice made that statement.
I'm not assuming anything. We're saying that the President told that somebody will be jailed. Kasi kung halimbawa, preliminary investigation pa lang, at saan kayo ng bola, pupunta kayo sa di ba meron kayong, sabi nyo nung isang araw, sa briefing, meron kayong memorandum of agreement with the Ombudsman that the DOJ can directly file cases to the Sandigan Bayan. What happens to that?
Sir, if we go over the memorandum of agreement simply says that we have the authority to investigate, and whatever the results are of our investigation, if it involves personalities with salary grade 27 and above, or cases cognizable by the Sandigan Bayan and offenses committed in relation to the performance of one's function, the same will still have to go through the Office of the Ombudsman for approval before it gets filed before the Sandigan Bayan.
That was not the kind of explanation given to me
Senator
in the earlier
Marcoleta,
hearing.
kindly wrap up. I'll give you 1 more minute.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, wala kang nakikitang immediately na makukulong, di ba?
Up until the results of the investigation are finished, I wouldn't be able to make any statement to that effect, sir.
Meaning to say, yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.